2016 Scion TC 4-cylinder. What we got done on it, still got factory converter manifold up there. Then it goes over and above the mid suspension, and then there's a second converter there. Then we took off the resonator and put a LCGP resonator right there. Bottle style muffler, as you guys can see. Then we had to add a sleeve to it. Then it's 2-inch pipe all the way back. And we did a rear muffler delete right there. And then also we put a bolt-on carbon fiber tip, 4-inch, just to match it up. Looks really clean. It's a nice Scion TC. There's the carbon fiber tip right there. And it's lady driven, so it looks pretty. I think it came out beautiful. Like always, guys, if you want us linked, there'll be a link in the description for the bottle style muffler. The part number is right here. I'm not gonna call it all out. Anyways, there's the two mufflers we cut off. As you guys can see, they're basically like two resonators that came on it. And there's the stock tip that we took off also. So there's the two mufflers, or muffler and resonator, and replace it with that. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a sec. Much better. What's the sound on it, right? Go ahead again. Your sound decibels. 111. That looks so much better and nicer. And it sounds awesome. Go ahead. Scion TC. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Scion TC 2016 4-cylinder with an LCGP metal bottle muffler, basically a vibrant, and a rear muffler delete. Here we go. That sounds good. Hope you guys like it.